beginners can watch. Hey guys, I'm Jennifer. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the best of scrubs. Scrubbing is very important for our skin and one of the important routine that need to be followed. So to know more about this video, let's dive right into the video. So the first scrub in my list is the Everyuth Naturals Pure and Light Tan Removal Scrub. This is the perfect for beginners and it contains chocolate and vitamins and also cherries, and this helps in detoxifying your skin as it contains antioxidants because chocolate, and it's very affordable. It is a 50-gram product and it retails for rupees 115 only. Beginners can definitely invest your money on this product, and moreover this smells so divine and so like little extra kind of luxury. So yeah, beginners can go for this product. The second product in my list is the Biotique Papaya Revitalizing Tan Removal Scrub. This is meant for all skin types. This is very affordable, just retails for rupees 140. It helps in removing dead skin cells from the surface and also helps in unclogging your open pores. And it's very nice and definitely very gentle even on sensitive skin. Beginners can invest your money even on this product also. So the third product in my list is the Everyuth Naturals Exfoliating Walnut Scrub. This is very affordable, retails for rupees 70. But there's one default in this product, that is the granules are little harsh. So, it might be a little, dangerous for sensitive skin, because sensitive skin, everybody knows what happens to a sensitive skin. So, it might be a little harsh to sensitive skin, and dry skin people and oily skin people can definitely go for it. And normal skin, no words to tell. So, sensitive skin, this is not a product for you, but beginners can definitely invest your money on this product. The fourth product in my list is the Clean and Clear Blackhead Clearing Daily Scrub. This is not a scrub actually, it's like a normal face wash, but it has very tiny granules. So it is perfect for a daily scrub. College girls or school going girls can definitely go for this product, and especially beginners. And you can use it for your blackheads and whiteheads also. I use this daily, but the thing is it does not show results in 1 or 2 days, so don't expect instant results for this product. It will take like 1 week, 1.5 weeks. So this is an okayish product, like for me, I felt personally. But remaining else, it's also fine. It's very soft and very gentle on the skin. It does not irritate your skin or produce any redness to your skin. And yeah, it claims for blackhead remover, but I don't see any blackhead removing from my nose area. I can see some of my whiteheads are gone, but blackheads no. Overall, this is just an okayish product according to my opinion. The next product in my list is the Nivea Skin Refining Scrub for normal skin. This is a scrub, but I use sometimes as a face wash also. Like it does not, produce any foamness to your skin, but a gentle gel massager. It's going to be like that, and it exfoliates your skin also. It is a very mild scrub. Sensitive skin people can invest your money on this. It is not harsh at all on your skin and perfect, and it retails for rupees 200, that is 199, and it's worth the money also, and it is very effective when you use in your night skincare routine. So yeah, beginners can go for this product. So these were the few scrubs that I ever started with and ever introduced the actual scrub into my skincare routine. Before I used to use DIY, and these were perfect for beginners, and so why I showed all of these scrubs to you all. So yeah, if you feel very helpful about this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press the notification bell on. Until then, see you all in the next video. Bye.